The EXPO marker experiment.
So what you need is the EXPO marker.
Any color.
Yes. A plate and some water. So first we're going to draw on the plate. It will come off. You can draw whatever you want, but I will draw like
You have to make sure all your lines are touching. It looks like they are. I'm going to help you out at the bottom here.
and I still got to do most.
Let's just do one line for the first time. Because I don't know about like all the different, that's what the experiment is. We're gonna try, but let's show them with just one.
Now we just need a tiny bit of water until it comes out. We just pour really.
Get a little closer to the heart to pour. Keep going, it hasn't come. Oh. Keep going. Keep going. Pour it next to it. And then you wiggle the plate a little bit and look. Our heart is moving. No, not on that side of your hand, on the back side if you want. We saw friends do this and they tattooed themselves.
That actually worked! Guys, my mom's gonna try that out.
Okay, I'm gonna do a spider, like I saw my friend do.
Okay.
Spiders have 8 legs, right?
Yes.
Okay. There's a spider. Let's see if I can get him to come to life. Hold it still on the spider. Oh, his leg's ripped. That's so great. We'll have to keep trying, but this is why we experiment to find out.
Now I gotta try.
All right.
So my mom just made a heart. Now I get to make some.
And we're using just EXPO markers, EXPO dry erase markers. This is a regular dinner plate. And this is just cold kitchen sink water. Oh, looks like something has invaded my heart. Maybe they'll stick together.
And then I'm gonna put one with you and hoping they will stay together with a glue.
Oh.
So like a paper heart shape. They're gonna work. We're gonna try.
I like your idea. All right, I'll pour the water. Oh, it looks like our red has lifted. The pink is a little broken. The purple's starting to come up. Oh, purple's broken.
I will try my print on the
Okay, so Dylan's gonna put her hand down on the red. Oh. Okay, lift up. You got a heart!
Oh my goodness!
Look how cool! Heart tattoo!
And so easy because they can just wipe off.
Yeah?
Yeah. You can use your finger or a paper towel.
Pretty cool. All right, we're gonna try something else.
I can draw apple.
All right.
I mean, the apple is good, but I don't know if it will turn out. Okay, my apple.
Okay.
Now I got to do like a stem of an apple.
Okay, don't pour the water on the apple. You pick a place to the side and just pour all your water there and it fills in the plate. Keep pouring. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Now you wait a minute, and you could see the parts that are wiggling are lifting. You want to go really gently because if you wiggle too hard, it'll break.
I really want to do it.
Oh, it broke right there. Let's see if the bottom, why isn't the bottom lifted? I can't figure out, part of an experiment is learning how things work, what makes them work, what makes them what doesn't make them work. And I can't figure out why like this part would work and not this. Is it a thicker marker or is it a different part of the plate?
Maybe I know.
So we're gonna keep going.
I think I know why.
Oh, why? What's your theory?
Because I did some in the inside and some on the outside.
Could be.
Maybe that.
Although the inside and outside both lifted here and here. Why not this bottom part? Oh, a bunch of marker. Cool. All right, I'm gonna try a design now. We'll be right back. All right, guys, because we're experimenting, we're trying different things. This person, I went over and over it again like 3 different times. You can see how the marker is thicker and has lots of layers. This one, I just did 1 quick layer. So we're gonna see which one works the best. It's looking like our simple 1-layer guy. Look at him doing the dance. I'm doing the dance. Doing the dance. Come on, last leg. You know you want to lift. Whereas this one, where I did lots of layers, it hasn't lifted at all. Look at that. Cool. That's. Oh, look. Come on, buddy. Woo! We got him.
I think that kid will be really clean.
All right, let's do it on Dylan's maybe wrist. Do you think we can get to? Oh, look, he's swimming all around. Here he goes. I guess we can't get. Yeah, can you get your arm down there? Ready? Go. Okay, lift up. Turn over.
Oh my goodness!
We're gonna blow on it. See if we can dry it off. Keep your tattoo. Nice.
So cool.
All right, so we learned something. 1 layer. All right. Okay, next up, Dylan's gonna draw something.
So I'm gonna try to make a flower. I think I have to fix the green a little bit. I'm gonna do an outline.
All right, so this is different parts and different colors.
So I learned if you're gonna look.
Remember to pour the water on the side and just keep it coming. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Whoa. I think maybe we're learning that the colors, that pink definitely just fell apart immediately, didn't it?
I think we should do an all purple flower because a purple actually staying together.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try an all purple flower.
Okay. Okay, so Dylan tried her purple flower. We're experimenting to see if we take away the stem, we take away the pink, if this purple is gonna do anything,
And
right?
then we go do a purple stem and a purple like middle.
Okay. Keep going. Uh-oh, did we run out of water? Okay, we're good. Okay. Okay, so half is definitely working. Let's let it sit for a minute. If you can see, I'm just gently kind of turning Turning the plate.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Goodness. Please, oh, please.
Kind of looks like a cloud guy from the Trolls.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Your fingers, guys. Awesome.
I think we're getting it.
Look. I go
We
try
got
my
the whole
stack.
thing. Wait, move your hand. So our whole thing is moving
Actually, I
around.
want my mom to do a print, so I go take a phone and my mom.
Oh, I've got it. Ready?
My mom.
Wait, I wonder if we did it on paper.
Okay, we gotta try it on paper.
So we're gonna try and do the print on paper. Now, obviously, the paper's gonna get wet,
Yeah.
but will it pick up our flower cloud, or what will happen? Straight down now, straight up. Look at that. So now we can let it dry, probably. And I mean, it's, I don't think, oh, it does still wipe off when it's wet. Cool. All right, we'll check in on that later.
So I am going to try to make a snowman with blue. We haven't tried blue, so we wonder if it's going to be like purple.
We actually just got back from making a snowman in the snow.
No.
It's middle of April, and in Colorado we just got pretty good snow. We're still quarantined inside. It works. Let's see what happens. Got a lot of parts to this snowman here. I do know the more parts you have, it can be harder to get it loose, but we'll give it a try. All right, we got water. Keep going. Did we run out? All right, so like the purple, certain lines of the blue, or like the pink, certain lines of the blue have just fallen apart. But look, this top hat line, that thin skinny line, that seems to be hanging in there.
We'll try that top hat on.
So this is what happens when a snowman melts.
I will try that print.
And what we discovered, guys, if you're gonna try this at home, we ended up getting a dumping bowl because we were carrying this to the sink each time. So we have a dumping bowl, and then we have our paper towels right nearby.
We also have this.
Which, if you're quarantined right now, paper towels are gold, but we're using them for science. All in the name of science. All right, guys, I took a turn. I drew a tree, single line, black marker. Let's see if we can get enough water going this time. All right, we have enough water to cover it. I'm gonna start wiggling it. I don't see any motion at all. Do you see anything wiggling? Huh. We have enough water? I'm not seeing anything.
I wonder if the print works without movement. You think it'll work, guys?
Maybe. I think Dylan's favorite part of this experiment is definitely the print. Mine is just getting things to move. I think it's cool just to see them move in the plate. Dylan really is very obsessed with making the print, as you can hear. So Dylan wants to see if she touches her hand to this in the plate, is it still going to make a print even though it's not floating?
It's just going to do half.
You want to use this part of your hand, not so much your fingers. So you want that part to go down. Oh, it picked it up. So even if you can't get it to float, maybe it's still a way to do a tattoo. I do not understand why this tree didn't lift at all. Interesting. All right, Dylan's gonna wipe that one off, and then it's her turn. All right, Dylan's turn again. What are you gonna do, Dyl?
A human.
Another person?
Yes.
That was our one. That and the flower were our most successful so far. I believe you pull it; they don't screw it. Okie dokie.
Sorry about that moment.
All right.
I think they tried to pour water over my head.
Is this guy gonna dance or not? What in the world? You know what I'm wondering is if we need to clean the plate. I wonder if like it has too much marker residue on it or something.
Should we try different plate, guys?
Well, I think we're gonna clean the plate. Or do we want to get a whole new plate? Let's let's clean this plate and see what we
I
think.
gotta do a plate on it.
Okay, Dylan's gonna do the plate.
Let's see if it looks without moving. Nope, it
Does not work. All right. We're gonna clean the plate and come right back. All right, so we cleaned the plate with dish soap and water. So we're gonna see if that makes a difference. Dylan's gonna use the purple again because we know it works, and we're gonna try using the tip of the marker instead of the fat side of the marker.
Guess what I'm making? If you said a flower, you right.
Trying a flower again.
You know, like a one my mom made? It like have a stem and a silk and everything.
It's like our plate has quit on us. All right, we can't end the video this way. We're gonna get another plate and be right back. Okay, guys, brand new plate. Okay,
Yeah.
we haven't done anything on this plate yet. And for the record, these are like actual real dinner plates. These are, our particular ones are IKEA, stoneware. I mean, your regular dinner plate.
Yeah. So I could try same flower.
Okay.
Okay.
And like any experiment, we don't know if the old plate is the reason or if this is going to make it work. All we know is that we've been successful a few times.
Yeah.
And
But
we
we're
keep
not
trying.
ending this video without it moving, right, Mom?
Right. We want to end with a success.
Yeah. We're not giving up.
New plate, new flour. Let's
New
see.
water.
Is this water? Oh, guys, was it our plate?
Pink
Our
water.
plate had just quit.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, so that's something to know. After a while, you need to change your plate out.
Yeah.
So again, I'm just slowly spinning the plate
We need
to make the water move.
Everything moving except that.
Okay, well, he's lifting.
Oh! He lifted! No, no, don't quit, don't quit. Just stop putting that on. We don't catch it. We lift up a flower.
It's coming. That one little middle part. Come on, buddy. Yay!
We have a
Look at it dance. All right, Dylan's gonna do a paper print, and then we're gonna check in on our other paper print and see how it's doing. Awesome. All right, if you remember the paper print we did earlier, Dylan's gonna grab it and we can check that out. And dump our water in our water dumping bin.
Try.
And look, it's dried now, you guys. So we started on a plate and using water transferred it to paper. And it kind of looks like paint on the paper. Let's see what regular marker looks like next to it.
Yeah.
So we could see what the difference is. If I just drew on the paper, it would look like that. But then if we do it with the water, it looks pretty different. That is really cool. All right, we hope you guys enjoy this experiment. If you give it a try, let us know. Comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Awesome. See you soon.